So if you got an airbag light that's staying on all the time, it's either the front airbag or the side airbags. And here's an easy way to fix it. So I'm going to show you how to fix the airbag light coming on your Dodge pickup. This is a 2003. What I found is that the two fuses for the front airbag and the side airbags can go out. And before you start having your dealership start running a diagnostic on it, charging you a bunch of money, check this fuse. It's very easy. You got two of them right here. All your fuses are marked on the back of the cover. It tells you the number. In this case, 52 and 53 are your two for the airbags. It's got a weird holder on here. You kind of squeeze it like this, lift it up, and it pops up like that. Then there's a little cap on top of it. You got to pull that cap off. I haven't found an easy way to do it, but this worked. When that cap is off, you can pull the fuse out. And I already took it out because this is a one-handed job with the camera. But what you can see here, perhaps, on that fuse, if I can get the light right, you see that dark spot there? You're able to see that the fuse is not connected. It's busted in half. This one went bad. And I don't happen to have a small 20 amp on me right now, but I got a 10, so that should do the job, and it should take the light out of the dash. So just drop it down on there, push that guy down in. These are kind of odd getting them back in. That little holder, I can do one side at a time, and then it'll lay down, and you can push your fuse in, put that cover on, and now you're good. Just kind of mash it back in there. And we'll go back inside the truck and start it up and see if that light's gone. And lo and behold, get my seatbelt on here. Lights are all out. I found that that's been the issue 90% of the time. There's also a switch underneath the seat, and if that switch isn't or disconnected, that switch can also cause that light to come on. So, word of advice, check it out yourself before you take it to a dealership. Thanks. Bye. And if this video helped you figure out your problem, please hit subscribe and like the video. That'll help other people find it and save them some money. Thanks. Bye.